Affiliarama is an internet marketing course which consists of hundreds of hours of video training lessons and written materials intended to teach you affiliate marketing. Founded in 2005 by a successful entrepreneur, Mark Ling, Affiliarama provides step-by-step, over-the-shoulder training courses for beginners and advanced affiliate marketers to build a successful affiliate business online. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The free membership offers a lot for nothing. You get approximately 20 hours of video trainings, written materials, interviews with other successful online marketers. You are definitely going to be able to learn something valuable from the free membership. Basically, the courses in the free membership teaches the basic stuff that you need to know as an affiliate marketer, from building a website, content creation to pay-per-click, PPC, and search engine optimization, SEO. It gives you a general idea of how affiliate marketing works and teaches you step-by-step how to get things set up. These courses are free and the contents are really good. While the free membership teaches the basic of affiliate marketing, the premium membership consists of hundreds of hours of video courses that goes more in depth into the topics discussed in the free membership courses and more. The premium membership is suited for beginner to advanced affiliate marketers. Here's the difference between the free membership and premium membership. You will be able to get great value from the courses in the premium membership as it provides extensive knowledge and handholds you to create a successful online business. It gives you easy maneuver within WordPress and gives you some features to your website like squeeze page and opt-in form templates, affiliate link cloaking, header creator, and popover generator. There is a collection of hundreds of hours of videos which covers topics spanning from building a website to writing content to getting your website rankings. A file blueprint will show you exactly how Mark Ling builds his affiliate website from scratch, and you can use the videos as a guideline to create your own website. Each video lesson will have some homework for you to complete, so it is really like going back to school. The support in Affiliarama is better than most of the other community out there. Once you sign up for the premium membership or its other products, you will be able free support from Affiliarama's members and staff. Affiliarama is a great place for you to learn how to make money online through affiliate marketing. Be it beginner or an experienced affiliate marketer, you will gain some valuable knowledge which will help you on your online business. Click the link in the description below this video for details.